Hi guys, tara na magluto tayo ngayon ng barbecue. As you can see, may nailagay na ako na fish na nakabalot ng tin foil. So, while waiting for that to cook, syempre magluto na rin tayo ng ating barbecue. So, yan guys, minarinate ko lang siya ng toyo, a little bit garlic, soy sauce, tapos pepper, and then may konting lemon na din siya, and then Sprite to keep it talagang tender siya. So yan guys, we can just keep flipping, and at the same time we can use that yung sauce niya na marination, we just keep on brushing on it para yung sarap niya andun pa rin, diba? So we just keep on flipping para at least talagang equal yung pagkakaluto niya. Also as you can see naman, diba, maganda na yung pagkakagawa. So, yan guys, pag sa tingin ninyo is everything is cooked already, we can separate and we can just put on top of it para hindi siya masunog, and at the same time, talagang hindi siya even yung pagkakaluto niya. So, yan guys, ganyan lang siya. As simple as that. Diba, ang sarap-sarap niya yung tingnan. So, I just really wanted to share with you guys and everything like that. Yan po. So, ganyan lang siya. Hindi siya nasusunog and everything kasi naibabad naman natin yung stick natin sa water. So, it's gonna be hindi siya masusunog siya ng basta-basta. So, ayan guys, i-direct na lang natin ang pagluto-luto, and then later on, pwede na tayong kumain. O, diba? Sarap-sarap niyang tingnan. Pero hindi siya sunog, as you can see naman, diba? As in talagang binabaligtad ko and everything like that. So, yan guys, nagdagdag na din ako ng hotdog on the sides para mas madali. O, diba, tignan ninyo, nakaseparate na yung nasa taas. So, yan. Lapit ng kainan na. Yum, yum, yum. Thanks for watching.